Good morning, children. Today we will discuss about rationalization. What is rationalization? Suppose we are given a number whose denominator is irrational. Suppose that 2 by under root 3. We know that under root 3 is irrational. So converting this number to a rational number, that is called rationalization. And here we will use that rationalizing factor. What is rationalizing factor? Actually it is the product when we multiply two irrational number, means multiplying two irrational number to get a rational, that is called rationalizing factor. Okay, so now we will start solving that. Suppose this is the one number question. Here how we will convert into rational number. See, 2 by under root 3. For that, what we will do, we will multiply numerator and denominator. Numerator and denominator by which number? Here it is given under root 3. So we will multiply by under root 3 by under root 3. Why we will multiply? Because by multiplying these two, numerator and denominator, see this denominator and this one, when they will multiply, it will become 3. So it will become 2 under root 3 by 3. Now this become rationalized, means this converted into, here see this number irrational, this number irrational. So under root 3 is called rationalizing factor, and here we multiplied in numerator and denominator, so we got this value. Okay, so we, whenever you see there is under root in denominator, you convert into what? Rational, means that is the number, that is natural number you have to convert, means you have to remove the root. Now suppose second question like this. Suppose here is 1 by 3 plus under root 2. What you will do? Here what we will do, see here is 1 by 3 plus under root 2. So what will be its rationalizing factor? How it will convert into the number, that rational number, that see 3 plus under root 2. Here you multiply 3 minus under root 2, and here also 3 minus under root 2. Why we will do this one? Because see here it is in form of a plus b, and when we will multiply the opposite sign in middle of that, a minus b, it will come in a square minus b square. So in numerator it will 1 into this one, you will get 3 minus under root 2 by, it will be 3 square minus under root 2 square. And from where we got this one, you can write like this, a plus b into a minus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. Here is the formula. So here numerator 3 minus under root 2, and here it will be 9 minus 2. You will get 3 minus under root 2 by 7. So this is the answer of, when you will rationalize this, you will get this one. These two can't be subtracted because it is in root. This one is the number 3, here is 7. Okay, now we will discuss another question. See, question number 3. What is that? You see that rationalize, if it is written that rationalize 2 by under root 3 minus under root 5. What you will do? Very simple, same process you follow, that 2 by under root 3 minus under root 5. Now it is in form a minus b form, so you will multiply by under root 3 plus under root 5 by under root 3 plus under root 5. Okay, in numerator it will be 2 into under root 3 plus under root 5, and below you can use the formula same what earlier I taught, this square minus under root 5 square. Again it came from where, that you can write since a minus b into a plus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. Okay, so in numerator it will be under root 3 plus under root 5, and here it will become 3 minus 5. So 2 under root 3 plus under root 5 by minus 2. See, this number is smaller and this one is bigger, so you have to subtract here. You will get 2, and here the sign is this one plus, and for 5 it is minus, so sign will be of greater digit. Now 2 and 2 will cancel, negative sign will come, negative under root 3 plus under root 5. Okay children, now we will go for the next question, that is, if a and b are rational numbers and this value is equal to this one, find the value of a and b. How we will solve this one, how we will find the value of a and b? For that, you just write down whatever the given 11 minus under root 7 by under root 11 plus under root 7 is equal to a minus b under root 77. You put imply sign here. Here is 11 minus under root 7 by under root 11 plus under root 7 into under root 11 minus under root 7 by under root 11 minus under root 7, that is equal to a minus b under root 77. What I done here, that I just for the rationalization, what earlier I told, that you have to remove the root. So you have to multiply by the rationalizing factor. Rationalizing factor of 11 plus this one is root, this one will be under root 11 minus under root 7. So we have to multiply in numerator and denominator both. And while multiplying both, see here, both one same. So you can use the formula a minus b, so it will become under root 11 minus under root 7 whole square, and here it will be under root 11 square minus under root 7 square, that is equal to a minus b under root 77. Now next one, you use the formula a minus b square. What it will be? That a square plus b square minus 2ab. You can use here. So it will be under root 11 square plus under root 7 square minus 2 into under root 11 into under root 7 by 11 minus 7, that is equal to a minus b under root 77. After that, what we will do? We will continue that. We will find the value. What will be that? See, it will be equal to implies 11 square, that means under root 11, that is equal to 11 plus 7 you will get minus 2, both are in root. So here it will be multiply under root 11 into under root 7, that will be equal to 77 by here is 4, that is equal to a minus b under root 77. After that it will become 18 minus 2 under root 77 by 4, that is equal to a minus b under root 77. See, what you will do, that you take here common, don't subtract 2 from 18, okay, it can't be subtracted because 2 having with under root 77. So you take here common, it will be 9 minus under root 77 by 4, it is equal to a minus b under root 77. You cancel it, it will be 9 minus under root 77 by 2, it is equal to a minus b under root 77. Now you just change in this form. So what it will be? 9 by 2 minus under root 77 by 2, that is equal to a minus b under root 77. Now see, what is in place of a? It is 9 by 2 you can write, or here that is something different, so you 1 times 1 write more, that 1 by 2 under root 77 equal to a minus b under root 77. Therefore, you can write A equal to 9 by 2 and B. See the sign both having same one. So in place of B, you will write 1 by 2. Like this, you have to solve such type of questions. Okay.